Okay, so the first thing I do is have my phone set up here on a little bendy tripod. Once I've got my phone set up, I'll get a piece of black paper. I'm using a square of A4, which I cut so that it is exactly 21 centimetres by 21 centimetres. The first thing I do before I start drawing is, using a set square, I make sure I find the middle of the page. Now the easiest way to do this is, with the set square, go corner to corner. And if you go corner to corner like so, make a little mark in the middle, like this, you will see that you have the centre of your page all set up, ready to do your drawing. Next, I also like to use the set square just to square off the centre, so that I have a perfect horizontal line, because a lot of my work will be along this line. Okay, now some tips about setting up your compass. I use a locking compass, which is really important because it has these pieces here that you can move in and out, and it has a flywheel in the middle so that you can move it in and out and it won't budge. It's solid. So what I will do is I'll put it all the way into the middle, like so. With my pencil, I'll make sure that I add my pencil so that the tip of the pencil meets the tip of the point, like so. Then when I bring the pencil out using the compass, it will form a beautiful circle. And when I'm drawing with the compass, I like to use the weight of the compass to pull the circle round. And I always go backwards and forwards. And this will form a lovely circle. I've done it in pencil. And then what I tend to do is switch out the pencil for a white gel pen. I've been using these jelly rolls, which are really nice, but there are loads of other gel pens out there. Again, bring the compass point back together, add the pen in, make sure it's firmly attached, like so, and then draw my circle. And you can see that the white gel pen leaves a really lovely white mark on the page, which is really nice. Now, one of my favourite designs is the Seed of Life, and I'll show you how you do that. So once you've got your gel pen set up on this angle, you've got your paper, where the line that you've drawn originally meets the side of the circle, put the compass point in, and draw another circle. This will give you the Vesica Pisca or Visca Pisca, or however you pronounce it, it's up to you. And you can see the two circles interlock. The center point of each circle is exactly in line. Then from this, where the 2 points meet here, put the compass point and draw another circle. This will give you what is known as the triquester, which is 3 interlocking circles. This is used in all sorts of images around the world. And then you follow this pattern around and you'll notice once we've done 5, it makes this beautiful pattern. where they are perfectly aligned around each other. And then the last two will complete the Seed of Life pattern. Now, the thing I love about the Seed of Life pattern is, as you can see, all the circles meet their partner circle on the diameter of this one. It is absolutely magical how they align so perfectly. And by using the locking compass, you will keep your circles the exact same shape. Now, if you wanted to start to connect them all together, I would use a ruler. I've just recently bought myself a metal ruler to make it nicer. And using my gel pen, you can then connect the images together. And when you use the pen and a ruler, top tip is to line up the ruler, use your pen as a sort of anchoring point so that you don't get it in the wrong place. Line up your ruler and make your first line like so. Then you can work your way around, and this will draw a perfect hexagon. Which will be just about ready any moment now. And there you will have your perfect hexagon. Now, I made a video about this, which has gone viral on several channels. It's amazing how people are really interested in watching how to draw these shapes. I think it's a fascinating subject. I used to be an art teacher at a secondary school, and I used to teach a lot of computer graphics, etc., and photography. Now I've moved on to be doing these drawings, and it's turned into some apparel. As you may have noticed, me wearing this t-shirt, this is one of my designs that I have created using the yin yang, the Taurus, and the flower of life. It's very popular at the moment, and there'll be a link in the video description for you to click on and have a look at them on my website, natureoflowers.com. And I hope to continue making these videos. If you have any requests, leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any questions about anything at all, just get in touch, let me know, and I can answer them. Okay, hopefully you found this behind the scenes video useful, and thanks for watching. Have fun drawing. Bye.